If you've seen the headline, 1,100 new homes coming to Prescott Valley, you probably had one of two reactions, either more new construction or, wait, is this real, or one of those projects that gets announced and then sits on the sidelines for a decade? Well, here's the catch that's not in the headline. The project is not new. The most important parts of it were approved 30 years ago. And I've looked up the actual town documents to verify and prove it. The dirt is scheduled to move this summer, but the real story starts all the way back in 1995. It's a common belief, and it's fair to believe, that a big new home announcement means one of two things. Either a flood of supply can come in and crush home prices, or it's a project that may never get built. We've all seen a big sign go up and then nothing for years. This one is different. Here's the one-sentence version. The dirt is going to be moving this summer, but the real start was in the 1990s. It was revitalized in January, and the land sale closed in June to bring this project back to life. Now, the project from 1995 had water certification 3 years later in 1998, and there's about 1,400 homes in Viewpoint that are already there. So what was announced this month and back in January isn't a gamble. It's the finishing of something that has been sidelined for decades. Hi, I'm Odessa Kyleman. I am a realtor here in the Prescott Valley area. I serve all of the Quad Cities, and new construction is what I do all day. So I don't just read the headlines, I dive into the details. This one has been through the town development agreement. I've read the staff report, the phasing maps, so I can show you what's real. So here's the plan. 3 things. First, the 2 pieces where it was locked in decades, on the record already. Second, the community that's already there, being built around it, and what changed in 2026. The rollout, the expected price change, and the one outside force that's pointing the growth towards this spot. Now, stay tuned for that last one, because it is not what I thought. In Arizona right now, the scariest question for any buyer is water. Projects across the state can get paused because they can't prove an adequate water supply. And that's why there's so many projects that you see in the headlines and then you never hear about it again. Viewpoint has had a 100-year assured water supply certification since 1998. The developer, the one that's there now, had the state reissue that certification. So the town of Prescott Valley is the water provider. This isn't a maybe, it's certified, it's transferred, and it's confirmed just this month. And it's not just the water. The community itself was approved in 1995. If you're curious, it was ordinance number 354, adopted on February 9th, 1995. It was Prescott Valley's first master plan community. The plan allowed for over 2,600 homes, and about 1,400 were built before the 2008 real estate crash. When the development just stopped, it hit pause. So the remaining homes that they're talking about now aren't a new request to the town. They're already in the plan. They are the leftover of a plan that was certified and signed off about 30 years ago. And that makes it a whole different ballgame. A brand new project has to clear water, zoning, and entitlement, and any one of these requirements can stall it for years. But this project, it cleared that years ago. So this 1,100 new homes isn't a new announcement, really. It's just the continuation and the restart of something that has already been approved. So where is it in real life? Is this a big empty field or what? When the headline says 1,000 new homes, it makes you think this big empty desert about to be bulldozed, but it's not. Viewpoint is already a mature, lived-in community, and the new phases, they bolt on. Actually, one's kind of in the middle and the others are on the edge. The existing sections already have paved streets, sidewalks, parks, and there's even a dedicated school parcel in the plan. So those are the bones of any new development, and here they're already in the ground. So when you tour the new sections, you can drive 5 minutes into the existing neighborhood first. These established streets are going to show you what the new ones are likely to mature into. And of course, right next door is Pronghorn Ranch, which has been growing since 2001, and they are actively building right now in the Northridge phase. They're selling new construction, and Pronghorn Ranch does have amenities. Different than Viewpoint, they have pools, a clubhouse, pickleball, those types of things. We're not talking about Pronghorn specifically, but what I'm trying to show you is this pocket of Prescott Valley is in an active building cycle. And why does that matter? Well, when you're buying new construction, it's not always about the house, it's the unknown around the house. Will there be amenities? Is there shopping nearby? Are the streets going to stay half finished? And here you have those answers by looking at what's already there. You're not just betting on a rendering. You're buying next to a finished version of the same idea and actually areas that are done. So if the approval is old news and the neighborhood already exists, you might be curious, why is there a headline? What actually changed in 2026? Here it is, the actual catch. And it's the opposite of a red flag. I looked at the town of Prescott Valley's staff report. What it talks about is when the recession lifted, the next stage of public improvements that was required was just too big for the old setup to carry. And it wasn't the water and it wasn't zoning. There were actually two pieces of infrastructure. First is widening Viewpoint Drive, and the second is a wastewater lift station. So on January 22nd, 2026, City Council passed a resolution and development agreement to get that road built and the lift station in. Now, by Arizona law, a development agreement can't be rushed through in an emergency. This was a revival, and this is where it shows that it was always meant to finish. That lift station, it's being sized for 2,573 homes, and about 1,400 are already there. So around 1,100 new. You don't build infrastructure for the whole community unless you intend to complete it. And the developer is fronting the costs. The town chips in on fees through the new homes as they're built. So there's no burden to existing residents. The final 200 acres of the Viewpoint community closed in May. It was purchased. They are good to go. And this was the headline in June of 2026, and the dirt work is planned to start anytime now. The first phase, 386 single-family homes, phases 1A and 1B on the map. Unit 28, 14B, then units 20 and 22. Then it goes on to phase 2 and phase 3, about 1,100 homes. The timing is as demand warrants. And the price points, there's quite a range. The headlines are saying that they start at $350,000 for some of the more affordable homes and prices up to $1 million. Now, those numbers are very preliminary. They will move, but that is where the builder is targeting. Now, the reason this timing makes sense today is that about an hour south in North Phoenix, I don't know if you've heard about TSMC, but it is a huge company and they are building a chip fab complex, and the investment is roughly $165 billion. That's a lot. It is one of the largest manufacturing investments currently going on in the country. And what this means is potentially thousands of high-paying jobs. And the developer here for this community in Prescott Valley said it plainly. With the I-17 expansion speeding up that drive from North Phoenix into Prescott Valley, there's an option. People can work at TSMC in North Phoenix and live where it's about 20 degrees cooler. You have to remember, people coming from these big manufacturing communities, they're often used to a commute. And Prescott Valley sits at around 5,000 feet. So you have demand for housing looking north, and you have a shovel-ready development that's starting to phase in. If we circle back to the headline, 1,100 new homes, the headline made it sound like a beginning. It's really the finish line of something 30 years in the making. The existing community, it's built, it's lived in, and it is conveniently located on the north end of Prescott Valley. Pronghorn Ranch sits right next door. Viewpoint, to me, is just far enough away from the Prescott Regional Airport where you don't have that continuous flight noise, but it's still close to the Granite Dells. There's shopping and all that Prescott and Prescott Valley have to offer. From the headline, you probably came in expecting some hype or some kind of warning. What you got is a community that's the good kind of surprise. If you're even thinking about a move to Prescott Valley or the Prescott area, there are two things I need you to do. First, the non-negotiable, and I don't care who you plan to use as a realtor, But for all new construction, always bring your own agent to that first model home visit. Make sure they're with you before you register with any builder, because once you sign in alone, that builder representative, well, they represent the builder, not you. They're trying to sell you. Having me there from visit one keeps someone in your corner. It's somebody that can help you compare communities, compare new construction and resale. So that is the first thing. Always bring your realtor the first visit. Second, grab my Prescott relocation guide. It's down in the description. I've been working on this. I hope you love it. If there's anything in there that you don't see that you feel you need, you let me know. The builders for this new or revitalized Viewpoint. The first 3 phases, they are in negotiations. So this is happening. So as soon as I can tell you who's building what and what the first incentives are, I will definitely make that video. Don't forget to subscribe so you're going to catch it. And let's get you in early. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching to the end. You are what makes all of this possible, and I hope you found it really valuable. Again, it's Odessa Kyleman, and this is the Prescott Homeowner. Have a great day. Hope to see you in the next video.